Myself, Narayana Reddy. I am from Math YouTube channel. Today in this class, I am explaining about coordinate geometry. This is an important chapter in mathematics. This coordinate geometry is useful for 10th class students and for intermediate students and also for 9th class students. So, what is meant by coordinate geometry? What are coordinates? What is meant by coordinate axes? What is meant by origin? What is ordered pair? So, these are so many points will be happening in coordinate geometry. First of all, we want to know about definition of coordinate axis. Before that, we want to know about axis. What is meant by axis? Axis is nothing but an horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The intersection of these two axes is called intersecting point. The intersecting point of these two axes is called origin, and the mutually perpendicular intersection of these x and y axis is called coordinate axis. So, definition: the intersection of two mutually perpendicular in this way. So, what is mutually perpendicular? Those are forming 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees. So, mutually perpendicular lines are called coordinate axes. Those coordinate axes are, one is horizontal and another one is vertical. The horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The intersection of these two axes is called origin. So, origin is nothing but the intersecting point of two mutually perpendicular lines is called origin. See here, this O is origin. O is origin. So the intersecting point is this one, O. This is called origin, and this horizontal line, that is x dash, is called x-axis, and vertical line y dash is called y-axis. So dear friends, this axis, that means x-axis and y-axis, form a plane. This is a plane. This axis divide this plane into four equal parts. that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a plane. Plane means is a space. Yes or not? So this space forming four parts, dividing into four parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. These four parts are called quadrants or foots. First foot, second foot, third foot, fourth foot. Or first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Yes or not? So this coordinate axis divide the plane into four equal parts. Those parts are called quadrants. That is first, second, third and fourth. But there is some difference is there between these four quadrants. Not all quadrants are equal. There is some difference is there. What is the difference? What is the difference between these four quadrants? Very, very important. This is definition. The coordinate axis divide the plane into four equal parts. These parts are called quadrants, okay? But these parts are different from each other. What is the difference? I will tell you now. See here, in this plane we will have four quadrants. In these four coordinates, first coordinate containing positive and positive. That means x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is positive. Why we are taking only positive in first coordinate, first foot? Means here x value is plus, y value is plus. That is why you are taking plus plus. That's all. Simple. In the same manner, the second quadrant or second foot, x value is minus. Why? Because horizontal line x-axis and left to the origin, this is the origin, intersecting point, left to the origin of x-axis is minus value, so we are taking minus. And upper side of origin is y-axis, that is positive. That is why you are taking minus plus. But there is a doubt. Why you are taking minus plus? Why you are not taking plus minus? Why? Because in the first quadrant always you are take x, and in second place you are take y coordinate. That is important. That means first quadrant is x, second quadrant is y. That is the rule. That is the process you have to follow. We are taking only x coordinate, y coordinate. We want to take only x and y, x coordinate, y coordinate. We don't take y coordinate and x coordinate. Yes or not? So that is why first coordinate is x, second coordinate is y. That is why here x contains minus value, negative value, and y containing positive value. That is minus plus, that is second quadrant. Comes third quadrant. X is minus, y is minus. That is why minus minus. That is third foot. The same manner, fourth foot, x is plus, y is minus. So take plus minus. Here we have observed one important point. First and third are opposite to each other because plus plus minus minus. Plus plus minus minus. In the same manner, second and fourth are opposite to each other. Minus plus plus minus. Yes or not? That is why first and third are opposite and second and fourth are opposite in a plane. So dear friends, this is very important. You have to remember. Sometimes there is a possibility there for confusing in these symbols, the signs. So be careful about these signs. Okay? Now again we want to tell one thing about this. There is a point P in a plane. We can take a point P in a plane. That is xy. This xp is a distance from x-axis to the point P, and yp is a distance from y-axis to the point P. This is y-axis, distance from point P to y-axis. This is distance from x-axis to point P. Okay? This is xp and this is yp. So xp comma yp is called ordered pair. This is ordered pair. This is ordered pair. So ordered pair containing two coordinates, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is distance from the x-axis to point P, and y coordinate distance from y-axis to point P. Okay? So this is about first foot. In the same manner, we can take in second foot also. Second foot, what do you get? Minus xp yp. Minus xp yp. Same manner in third foot, minus xp minus yp. Both are minus. In fourth foot, xp minus yp. xp is optional. By default it is plus. Yes or not? xp minus yp. So first and third are opposite. Plus plus minus minus. Minus plus plus minus. So these are 4 different coordinates in 4 coordinates. 4 coordinates. This is very important point which you have to observe. See here, the point on x-axis. The point on x-axis means y coordinate 0. Y coordinate 0. Why? Because suppose we can take some xp comma 0. xp is some here, some point xp. 0 means y 0. So we can get here. That is on x-axis. In same manner, 0 yp. X is 0, y is yp here. So this is yp 0, yp, xp 0. So this xp comma 0 contains on x-axis. That means the point on x-axis containing y coordinate 0. Contains y coordinate 0. In the same manner, the point on y-axis contains x coordinate 0. Opposite each other. Whenever x coordinate 0, the point in y-axis. Whenever the whenever x coordinate 0, the point is on y-axis. Opposite to each other. If x is 0, point in on y-axis, y is 0, point on x-axis. That's all. So this is very important point which you have to observe when we are drawing the graph. Okay. So this is about some introduction about coordinate geometry. Okay, dear friends, coordinate geometry is an important chapter for intermediate students and also for 10th class students. So practice these definitions and this graph and remember all the points, what all the points are there in 4 coordinates. Okay, this is some introduction about coordinate geometry. Also, I will take some problems in future classes. How the points will be forming different places in different points. Those are distance between 2 points, midpoint, centroid, and so many are there. Okay? Okay, dear friends. Thanks for watching Matthew YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Matthew and turn bell icons to get more information. Thank you.